Hello, in this video I want to show you how to set up custom LED lamp notifications on HUAWEI Nova 11 Pro. And to do this we'll need to open an app gallery. Now in the top search find Notify Buddy. Install this app. You will need to download it from other website, not from the app gallery, but it will transfer you here. So click on download app. When it's ready, select install, and now it should be added to our home screen. We can open this app, move to the next step and grant 3 different permissions. You can also disable battery optimization, which is optional. I'm gonna leave it enabled and proceed. Now when the app is ready, you can customize it with different settings, like enabling any apps and allowing them for a custom LED lamp notifications. The same is with a system, you can enable any system bound apps. Inactive, there's all apps that we've just activated. And in the settings you can customize the LED lamp. Let's skip this add though, like that. And here you can, as I mentioned, customize the LED lamp with different size, shape, placement on the screen or a color. Click on the test button to see the LED lamp and it's right there. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.